Happy New Year. Aibo! Yo. Ha ha ha. Hey. Ai vai a foto na babajeswa. Yo. Exact, guys. First and foremost, congratulations to the Ntencane. Congratulations, Ntencane. Congratulations, ngokuhlukanisa unyaka, for taking the #1 spot. Congratulations, bafowethu. Except to all those who voted for, thank you, Mr. DJ. Mwah. I love you guys. I love you so much. Ngiyabonga amavoteni bafethu, ngiyabonga. Thank you. Keep supporting uDJ Tira. Top 10 ibimnandi ayibishelela. Top 10 ibishelela, ngibuza ukuthi ngithini la. Top 10 ibishelela. Thank you so much for your vote, guys. Thank you so much for your vote. Yo, amapinga ayavota. Yar! Yo, shout out. It's too much. But anyway, life goes on. Life goes on. Impilo iqhubeke, life goes on. Hey, ngaphela close to 1 million votes. Yo, I big few. Otherwise, okay, shuthi uyaqala unyaka manje ke bafethu, uyaqala unyaka manje. It's a brand new year, uyaqala unyaka manje. Let's focus on the new year. Siyaqala phansi, focus on the new year. Asebenzeni, let's work hard. Sibe right, ne? Sibe right. Mina ngisharp. Just wanted to show my fans, yabo, my supporters ga DJ Tira ukuthi say, "Sharp. I'm okay. And thank you for the votes." Ne? And this year we are celebrating 21 years of DJ Tira this year. 21 years of DJ Tira, so stay tuned. Kusazoba mnandi. 10 years of Fact Dep and Rocks this year. 10 years of Afrotainment Marquee. Kusazoba mnandi. So it's gonna be a beautiful year. Happy 2020. Okay, happy new year. Happy 2020. Except shout out to Ntencane for taking #1 spot. Except Ntencane. Salute. Mabinga. Siyabonga. Ngiyalishaya vote. Anyway, except benginibingelela nje bafethu, just to show ukuthi I appreciate for all those who voted for my song. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. And yeah, ne, impilo mayiqhubeke. There's nothing else we can do. Impilo mayiqhubeke, asebenze. Let's live the life. Asiphathaneni kahle. Yabona nginalaba abafuna abasebengizingela, babengizingelelana, ababengizingela. Ngempela, let's talk about that. Babengizingelelani. Ngangenzeni mina. Anyway, asiqhubeke nempilo. It's the one and only DJ Tira, bathi makoya bearings, bathe check it. I'm a top fan, ngibona I'm a top fan. Except I'll see you 11 July Fact Durban Rocks, 10 years of Fact Durban Rocks, Durban July. Yes, 21 years of DJ Tira. Coming to Cape Town, coming to Joburg, coming to Durban. And then after 10 men Maki, Mong now 4,500 success. So bona late, ngoba ticket ilu 4,500 akudlalwa nengane. Akudlalwa nengane. So we'll see you there. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Inkosi nibusise.